Hello, lovely. Welcome to Rosy Tasty Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make my akara for with brown beans, and I'm using Gary to soak it, while others are using pap to eat it. Okay, and you can use it as a side dish or a snack at any time of the day. You can eat it with your soft agege bread. Okay. So these are my beans. I'm going to show you how I peeled it. I'm going to measure the beans. You can take it as much as you want. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful that you stopped by. Please subscribe to my channel and show your support. Drop your comment on the comment box. I'm going to try as much as possible to answer, okay? So these are the ingredients I'm using. That is a pap I'm going to make at the end. And I'm using pepper. I don't use Maggi. I'm just use pepper and onions and salt to make akara, okay? So I put the beans in my blender and I blend it for a short time. And then I'm going to wash it out, okay? So that is how it's done. It's the easiest way you can wash beans. You can peel your beans. You can as well buy already washed beans, okay? Already peeled beans and soak it to use. But in this case, I did wash my own beans. And this is how it is. So you wash the beans thoroughly. You remove all the peel. There are some people that make akara without washing the beans. They use it with the peel. They just soak it soft, then they blend it together. But I did wash mine this time. Maybe I'll try that next time. We have to keep trying everything, you know. Anyway, so in this case, I did wash the beans thoroughly. Then I will now blend the beans, okay? Then this is how I finished blending my beans. And I've put it in a bowl. Yes, so I'm going to just put my pot. I've already put the pot on fire. And I put the fire on, you can see, and I start frying the akara. I'm going to show another way how you can wash the beans properly. I'm going to try and show that as much as I can next time. Okay, so I will fry the akara. You can scoop it however you want, whatever spoon you want to be able to use. I don't want them to be too big, so I'm using the small spoon. So I'm scoping, then I will fry the akara. It's a very easy side dish to make or breakfast, which I like making mine on Saturday morning. Oh God, my kids do love it. So Saturday morning, when I'm a bit less busy, I will quickly in the morning try to do it before they have their breakfast. They do like it for breakfast, okay? So that is it. Just fried it. Keep frying it, keep frying your akara before you know it, you finish. That is how I did it. So I'll fry it when I'm dancing. So it doesn't really take long actually. So it's a very fast and easy breakfast to make at any time. You can make for dinner. Some people use it for dinner, you know. I like to use it as a side dish and snack. I like to use it as breakfast as well. This is beans actually. Blending beans and frying it, you know. So for me, it's another way of how you can eat your beans. Some people don't like when they cook beans. So you can as well fry akara to change how you see beans, you know. You like it with akara. If you don't like it, then cooking. Okay. Anyway, so that is it. Fry, and fry the akara. Remove it, fry. And in the next few minutes, you will finish your akara. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please drop your comments, drop your comment, drop your suggestion, suggest some things to me, because I am new here and I'm just trying to share my skills with you guys. I don't want to be hiding any skill I have. I don't want to be hiding them anymore. I have to make use of it. So that is why I said let me start coming out, showing what I'm doing at home with my friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. So as you can see, I'm already starting making the pap. I do make pap a lot. I can make pap very well, but I prefer to eat mine with AKARA. So this pap I make it for my husband because he do like pap. Okay, make it, melt your pap in a very small water, and you boil a very hot water in the kettle. And see, my kettle is already boiling. Okay, so I'm trying to make the pap to be very smooth before I use. So after that, you make sure you boil the water. You can reboil the water again, and make sure that you stir your pap properly. See, I'm adding sugar on it. Doesn't like more sugar. It's a lot of pap actually. You can do without putting sugar. I use honey. It depends on what you want. So in this case, I use a bit of sugar on it. Put sugar. Okay. Make the consistency smooth. So that way. You pour the water on it. Once you start doing it, then I'll put it on the microwave. I don't want it too watery. And that's it. The pap is ready. And that is the AKARA too. That's the AKARA. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by. Now your girl, oh. Thank you for coming, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, please. Subscribe to my channel. Show some support. Please turn on the thumbnail so that whenever I put my video, you'll be watching my video with me and commenting. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and God bless you. Stay blessed.